Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon and then tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called System and Updates. Yes, this one. Once you find the System and Updates, tap on it, and here find the option called Date and Time, and tap on it. And right here we can change the time format by turning on the 24-hour format or turning it off. If you want to use the 24-hour format, enable this option. If you want to use 12-hour format, disable this option. And once you're done, press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.